In this video, I'll show you how to install the NaturalVision Remastered graphics mod in GTA 5 for realistic visuals and improved lighting in 2026. Check my video description for this mod link. Click on the script V and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Open bin. Click on the game and select Open File Location. Select this input 8.dll and script V, drag and drop inside of a game folder. Once you're done, close tab here and open OpenIV. If you doesn't have OpenIV installed for GTA 5, check my video description for this tutorial video on how to install OpenIV for GTA 5. Once installed done, right click on this NaturalVision Remastered and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Open the extracted folder. Open this Visual 5 installation. Drag and drop inside OpenIV. Before that, select this ASI Manager. Make sure all three are installed and select this edit mode and select yes option. Drag and drop this to OpenIV and select install option and select the mods folder. If it doesn't have created mods folder for GTA 5, then check my video description for this tutorial video on how to create a mods folder for GTA 5. Once you create that, select the mods folder and select confirm installation. Once you're done, close tab here and go back. Open the NaturalVision Remastered. Drag and drop this NaturalVision installer inside OpenIV. Select the edit mode and select yes. Now drag and drop. Select the install option and select the mods folder and select confirm installation. Once this done, close tab here and open this optional add-on and open this trash modifier. Open this default trash density. Drag and drop inside OpenIV. Select edit mode and select yes. Drag and drop. Select install option mods confirm installation. Once you're done, everything is done. Close tab here and now you can launch the game. I'll show you guys before and after graphics comparison. You can easily compare this graphics mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.